In this video, let me show you how to fix in case the touchpad on your HP laptop is not working. So no matter where you touch, what you press, it doesn't register on the screen. So the first thing you need to try before going any further is to do, a simple reboot. So step number one is to press this power button, keep it pressed until the screen is black completely. Usually it takes a few seconds. Here we go. Now I can release this power button. Next, what I recommend is that you disconnect all the devices that are connected in the USB port, in the power port, in the HDMI. Remove absolutely everything on the left and right side. Next, we will want to press the power button during 30 seconds. Do not release that power button. Keep it pressed 30 seconds. Nothing will be deleted. This is not a reset. Okay, and even if you see something appearing on the display, do not release the power button. After 30 seconds, release it. And then press on it during 1 second. 1. And release the power button. The laptop will power on normally at this point. Okay, you can see your HP logo. And fortunately, after doing this simple trick, the touchpad will finally work when you see your mouse cursor. If this didn't work at all, let me jump to tip number 2. So for this second tip, you'll have to press the Windows button right over here on your keyboard once. And then we need to type with the keyboard. Fortunately, your keyboard works, although your touchpad doesn't. Okay, type touchpad and press enter. As you see here, we have the touchpad option. It should be obviously turned on. Now, you don't have the touchpad. How do you do this? To turn on and off the settings that is highlighted, you're going to press the space bar. You see, with the space bar, I can turn it on and off. Then you're going to press the tab key on your keyboard to navigate to the arrow. Press the space bar again to have these options appearing. Press the tab key. Here you can make sure that this is checked. Press again the tab key. And we want to reset the touchpad settings. So I'm going to press the space bar once reset is highlighted. Okay, the reset has been done. It's time to check if the trackpad is working. So go ahead, move it around. Unfortunately, this tip will work and you'll be able to move it. If this still doesn't work, let's go to this third tip. You're going to press again the Windows button. And we're going to type with the keyboard device space manager. Then you're going to press enter. Device manager will open and we'll have to navigate using the tab key again and then the arrows. Okay, once I press the tab key, I can use the arrows to go down in this menu until we get over here to mice and other pointing devices. Once you have highlighted mice and other pointing devices, you're going to press the right side arrow, then go down, select this option by pressing enter. You're going to press tab until general is highlighted, then press the right side arrow to go to driver. Go down in this list with the tab button until you highlight update driver, then press enter. Go down, select browse my computer for drivers using the tab button and press enter. Go down and select let me pick from a list available drivers on my computer. Okay, it's highlighted, I'll press enter. Now we have many options here. We have 4 of them. I want you to select the first one, press enter, and it will reinstall this driver. Press enter again, and this will close. We have to go again in update driver and do the same thing. Go in browse my computers for driver, select let me pick from a list, and then you're going to select the second one. We need to update all these drivers for all of them. I need to reinstall the drivers. Okay, and do this for the two other ones that were in the list. After doing this, there's a good chance that you'll be able to use your trackpad once again. Thanks for watching. If you found one of these tips to work for you, leave a comment. If you have any other tips, leave a comment as well. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.